Good morning, everybody. At StockMarketFunding.com, we're going to show people how to buy the call options at the wholesale price. It's a 550 call relative to using a 3-minute chart. And not only that, there's the gap. It dropped here on that big wick, and we got limit orders out at $3.50. And the high was 480. But what I want people to know, when you're trying to get an entry on an option and there's very low volume, they just keep a wide bid and ask here. So you don't have enough volume on Google here. We're going to see if Google breaks down and fades back in here to these areas right here. And that the opening is a 3-minute buy signal, which is very positive. But believe me, throughout the day, you will go from the 3-minute buy signal. Sometime it might not be for another 2 or 3 hours. I could care less. Because you will go into a 3-minute sell signal. Just like you did yesterday. You went into a 3-minute sell signal from the opening overbought. And we will maintain the contracts out there. And we'll wait. And the volume is very light. And I can't let a trader pop these little wicks in here on these options. Because there's a bid below the market that can be bought. And as they pop it up, notice how they're still in premium. And they're 30 cents wide. So the market makers in the pit aren't giving this any premium or doing anything with it because the equity volume is very low. And we've only been open 20 minutes. And sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 hours to get an order. Here, we're still going to wait to get the options trade. And basically, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to come back up and we're going to test these highs. And this is a 550 call. The low is $4. There's only an 80-cent movement. Okay? And because of the low volume and because we're overbought on the 3-minute, we could go higher up toward the high of that contract before we come back below the floor. But if I buy in here in the middle, I'm right in the middle of that very narrow range of that contract. And 80 cents is not good enough for me and getting the option. And you can see here that we're up toward the high of 540, but notice how the market makers are still in premium. Because when we were up here at the high, they were 480. So he's already still in about 40 cents out of the contract. And I understand that. And you're going to be taught to learn how to do that. Because I know you don't know how to do that. And basically, StockMarketFunding.com teaches people how to be experts in options trading. We don't teach you what you read in the books in your little day trading option courses. No, this is about being a market maker in the options pit and about putting the chart with what they do. And basically, our traders are down there at $3.50. Someone paid $4.50, let them. What I'm showing you is that they're still in premium at the top on Google. And basically, their entries are going to be $3.50. You've been given a gift. Come and learn how to be a market maker in the options. Learn how to be a call buyer and a put buyer. Learn how to trade the spreads against each other. Learn how to be professional.